Android Auto integration. Android Auto extends the Android platform into your car in a way that's purpose-built for your UConnect touchscreen, so you can enjoy your Android-powered phone on the go. Jam some tunes right from a favorite streaming device like Google Play Music, Pandora, or Spotify. Make calls and send texts, and you'll always stay on track when Google Maps leads the way. These features, along with many of your favorite Android apps, are now available with Android Auto. If you want Android Auto to launch automatically when your Android phone is connected, go to the Apps page, then Projection Manager, and select Smartphone Device Mirroring. Otherwise, keep the box unchecked. And the autoplay feature automatically plays music from your Android phone whenever it's connected. You can turn it on or off in the audio category of your UConnect settings. To use Android Auto, just get the app on Google Play using your Android-powered smartphone. Then connect your phone to the USB media port in your vehicle. You may have to accept terms of use and enable your Bluetooth connection the first time you launch Android Auto. Look at the phone icon in your touchscreen menu bar. You'll know your phone is connected and recognized when it changes to the Android Auto icon. Android Auto should then launch automatically, or you can press the icon to get it rolling yourself. There are 4 ways to interact with Android Auto, and all of them keep your phone safely tucked away. Use Android's speech technology, your steering wheel audio controls, radio faceplate controls, or the touchscreen itself, which displays a special Android Auto version of your phone. Now let's say you want to use Google Maps for navigation. All you have to do is launch Android Auto, then push and hold the VR button. Once you hear the beep, you can set your desired location by voice. Directions to 1000 Chrysler Drive in Auburn Hills. Keep in mind, Android Auto uses your smartphone's data plan and some additional charges may apply. Also, some functions may be limited if you're not within cellular coverage. So, sit back and get the most out of your Android phone with Android Auto and UConnect. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. Please refer to your owner's information or driveuconnect.com for complete details and other important safety information.